Hi everyone, it's Irina and today I'm steaming fish in the extra large steamer, and it's my favourite way of actually steaming fish. And sometimes I just use the steamer that comes with the actual Cook Expert, and that's perfectly fine. But if I want to do a whole fish, then I use the larger extra large steamer. Now, when you bring one of these home, when you start working with them, you need to actually set your Cook Expert up for it. So to do that, because it's an actual new attachment, so to do that, you go across to settings. So you go to a settings, go OK, and then you scroll down to accessories. So you go to accessories, you go OK, and then you go down to the Steamer XXL, and you click that box. And so once you've done that, you can go back, and then it will appear. So you go to cooking, OK, you scroll across to, did I see it there? No. There it is, Steamer XXL. So then it actually appears on your screen. So really that's how easy it is, and from now on it's actually in your machine on your screen, so it's very easy. Now it needs to be separate to the other steamer because it requires different work to actually steam something so large. So then you go OK, and it automatically has a setting for 25 minutes to actually steam my fish. So here it is, my fish is ready. Now I filled the machine with hot water to begin with, of course, and then I set it. 25 minutes later, I've got this amazing fish. Really super delicious, and it's just amazing. It does a perfect job. Now I've actually stuffed this fish with rice and capsicum, mushrooms and leek, and a bit of garlic and butter, and then I just popped lots of lemon on top, and it's just amazing. The fish is really tender and delicious. I really suggest that you have a go at it. I think it's a fantastic steamer, and it does a beautiful job. Okay, give me thumbs up if you like it, and any comments if you've already used it, because I use mine a lot. Okay, see you later.